Iraqi forces moving through areas of eastern Ramadi where they have pushed back ISIS militants. What's left is a city in rubble, the remains of a tough fight for U.S.-trained Iraqi units, with more to come. Watching it all unfold in real time, U.S. commanders from their operations center.
This enemy has set up defensive belts. So they use IEDs, the very same IEDs that we faced here in Iraq years ago, but now they use them in clusters as if they were minefields. They will rig entire houses to explode.
U.S. warplanes are launching dozens of airstrikes to back up Iraqi ground forces, picking out ISIS fighting positions from the air and not inadvertently killing civilians remains a huge challenge. Administration officials are talking about how to possibly loosen up the rules restricting airstrikes so they can turn up the pressure on ISIS.
What's being talked about out there is how much tolerance we should have for civilian casualties. And that's part of our American values, right? We say that we bring our values to war.
Senator Ted Cruz continuing to advocate massive bombing, answering Wolf Blitzer's question this way at the CNN Republican debate.
Would you carpet bomb Raqqa, the ISIS capital, where there are a lot of civilians? Yes or no?
You would carpet bomb where ISIS is, not a city, but the location of the troops.
U.S. military officials say indiscriminate bombing is not productive, and large groups of ISIS soldiers without civilians nearby rarely happens.
ISIS are living in towns and cities amidst in the same blocks as the citizens. So when you're talking about expanding the rules of engagement, I don't see how you do that without raising the risk that women and children will die.
The chairman of the Joint Chiefs warns the rules will stretch for a big target.
I can assure you, if we're going after Baghdadi's command and control network or some other critical node, then we will go after it as aggressively as necessary.
Now, for now, it does appear that weeks and months of U.S. training have given the Iraqis the confidence to deal with those IEDs in Ramadi. The question now is, can they build on it when they make their next move, which may be an effort to retake Mosul, Iraq's second largest city, still in the grip of ISIS. Jake?